Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Everyday Industries. I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let us discuss the chart on technical basis. Now this is the monthly chart of Everyday Industries. Look at the listing of the stock. The listing was quite appreciable and the listing gains was also good at the starting of the listing, but once it made a same high here, after hitting the same high, the stock fell more than 50% of its price and lost its 50% of wealth. But the stock caught up once again, but it could not sustain. It just met the listing price, so it's quite lackluster stock since past. But once the stock started its bull run, it's very steep bull run that each and every monthly candle shows a price moving up. So it's good to trade such stocks because the past always repeats in share market. The past once again started repeating here. After such move, the stock fell below, and once it took a resistance here, it again started moving upwards, but this is a complete distribution zone that happened here, and once the distribution was over, then the stock fell more than 60% and it came again to the same listing price. So the stock once again lost its luster, but this time it's good to take here because the industry itself booming slowly, so it's good to go long in such stocks, and taking swing trades is also advisable in this stock. So let me draw the major resistance and support lines for the stock at the near time basis. So the stock can be taken for swing trade because the technicals are good in the stock. Now let us analyze the stock on weekly basis. This is the weekly chart. So in this weekly chart, look at the volume, green volumes here. The price rising and the volume is also rising here. So it's good to go long in these stocks because the volume and the price both are rising at the same time. It's good sign of investing and trading and taking positions in such stocks. And now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the entry and target in the stock. Before entering the daily chart analysis, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to make such videos on regular basis. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below, and if you like the video, hit like button. Now let's analyze the stock on daily basis. So these both lines indicates the previous resistance and support lines, but these lines are taken as invalid, but this line act as a resistance for the stock, so one can place entry above this major resistance zone. So let us analyze the stock. In this daily chart, the stock shows a clean rising triangle which make a higher high and higher lows, so it's good to trade in the stock. And once the stock breaks this level, the up move is very easy to capture and the up move will be unstoppable. So the entry can be taken above 339 range, which is 340 range. One can take entry above 340 range, and one can take first target as 367 range, around 370 range, and 400 can be taken as the target for the stock. The 400 is almost 18% upside from the entry price. So the stock is forming a continuous higher lows, so it's good to go long in the stock because the stock shows a good up move, and the consolidation area after a good breakout from a small range is also good for going long. The consolidation happened here and it gave a breakout, and now again it consolidates. This can be considered for the accumulation zone for this consolidation area. So one can take entry above the price range of 340, and 367 370 range can be taken as the first target, and the main target is at 400 range, which is almost 18% from the current market price.